For 100 years, agriculture was dominated by a handful of global giants. They have the scale, the logistics, and the systems to move a crop from the field all the way to market. But that is changing. More and more, farmers and regional groups are building their own processing and keeping more of the value where the crop is actually grown. It is a good shift, but it comes with a problem. The fastest growing buyers, like sustainable aviation fuel, do not just need a crop, they need proof. Where it was grown, how it was grown, that the land qualifies, that every sustainability rule was met. For one big company, that is hard enough. For a network of independent farmers, drone operators, processors and hauliers, coordinating over phone calls, spreadsheets and WhatsApp, it is nearly impossible. This is the gap Regenrate closes. We are the operating system for fragmented agriculture, connecting the whole chain from genetics to oil. Every partner works in a single shared system, and each sees only what they need. A farmer sees their fields and their tasks. A drone seeding team can see the exact parcels, seed rates, and flight zones. A buyer sees clean, certified supply. Behind it, something powerful happens. In just 6 months, one supply chain produced over 50,000 scattered signals. Messages, photos, field notes, calls. Regenrate turns that noise into structured intelligence, every piece tied to a field, a crop, and a partner. So the system sees problems early, a delayed sowing, a missing document, a field at risk, flagged before it costs a season. And certification is not a scramble at the end. The record is built as the work happens, ready to audit field by field. Every partner, every parcel, every season makes it sharper. More data, better decisions, easier certification, more trust, and more farmers who can finally reach markets once out of reach. Regenrate OS, the operating system that lets regenerative, farmer-led agriculture meet the standards of the world's most demanding markets. Our energy grows from the field.